Hey, what's up, traders? You're welcome back to my channel. This is DJ the Analyst. So you're welcome, guys, to another interesting video of mine, guys. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys another strategy that is going to help you traders. Of course, you know the videos I do, guys, are for educational purposes and not a financial. It's not financial advice. Okay, it's not for financial purpose but educational purpose. Okay, so when you try what is being given to you guys, so you go and you learn, you go and back test it and work on it before you can execute it live. All right, so guys, today we are back again with another exciting video. Okay, for those of you guys that have been waiting or anticipating for this video is available, guys. All right, so in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can scalp the market. Okay, how you can scalp the market. But before we continue, guys, if you're new to this video or you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and make sure you turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video, and also help us to share because we're trying to grow this community large. All right, so guys, now back to what I was saying. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to have a good scalping in the market. Okay, now there is one thing you need to really know about when it comes to scalping. Okay, because you know, scalping, we have different kind of traders. All right, we have the swing traders, we have the intraday traders, we also have the position traders, and also the scalpers. All right, so me that I am a swing trader. All right, so but most times I scalp the market. So I want to teach you guys how mainly or most times I scalp the market if I want to scalp the market. Okay, now before then we go into the chart, so I want to show us, you need to understand the purpose of a scalper and what do they do. So we are going to be starting with who is a scalper. Okay, so we say a scalper is one who scalp the market. They don't stay long in the market. Once they are done with scalping, they leave the market. All right, so a scalper is one that does not stay long in the market like a swing trader. Okay, the swing trader, you stay, you can hold your trades for days, for a day trading, weeks. All right, so you can hold your trade for throughout throughout a period of time. But a scalper is not so. Okay, a scalper can just come in, scalp the market and leave. Most times those that are not 247 on the chart. Okay, because we have so many traders that are not 247 on the chart, just like me. Okay, very almost because this is my business, so I'm constantly on the chart, I'm constantly on the market, looking at the market, analyzing the market. So I'm a full-time trader. All right, so not everybody is a full-time trader. So what they do is you can just go into the market, scalpers go into the market, scalp the market, and just leave the market at that particular period of time. Okay, so with this understanding, you can be able to know who a scalper is and what do they do. All right, so we have the next one here, which we call we said, what time frame will a scalper use? Okay, now if you're a scalper or you want to go into scalping, now you need to know this thing, that a scalper, you must use higher time frame for your analysis, like 1 hour at least, then 30 to 15 minutes or 10 minutes and 5 minutes etc for your entry. Okay, now a scalper, you must use 1 hour for your analysis, then 30 to 15 minutes or 10 minutes or either the 5 minutes, okay, for your entry. Okay, so now if you're a scalper, the moment it's best that you always use what, at least have one higher time frame, even if you're not using the daily, the weekly, monthly or so. Okay, but at least you must have a particular time frame that is higher. Okay, at least minimum you can use the 1 hour to analyze the market, and once you are done with your analysis, then you can now go into the market. Most scalpers or most traders, they just open their chart without actually analyzing the market. So you must make, first of all, make findings, do some analysis then before you go into your market. So even if you're a scalper, whatever kind of trader you are, your analysis first is very, very paramount. Then after you've done your analysis, then you can now go into the market, then using these time frames I just talked about right now as a scalper. So I think we are good to go, guys, and I hope this is also clear with you. So having said that so far, so let's now dive into the chart to give you guys examples and to show you guys the illustration of what I just said so far. All right, so now let's go to our chart, guys. Okay, now this is 8 hours time frame, so I will be going into my time frame, 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I'll be using the 1 hour time frame which we just talked about. Okay, so the 1 hour time frame, firstly I'll be giving the 1 hour time, using the 1 hour time frame. So as a scalper, okay, now as a scalper, you, like I said, you need to identify the trend of the market. You need to have a good analysis. First of all, analysis, you need to analyze the market before you make your decisions to enter the market. Okay, now we're looking at this before us, guys, and we can anticipate that this market is actually on a downtrend. Okay, we can see this market VIX10 is on a downtrend. We can have these highs, and we have this high here. Okay, so let me hold on, guys. So we can see here that we have this high, yeah, okay, and we have this high, yeah, and you can see again, guys, also have this high, yeah, so we have these lows and this. So we can see that this market is sloping to the downside. Okay, so we can tell that this market is actually going to the downside. So as a scalper, like I said, first of all, identify your trend. The trend of the market is very, very important as a scalper, which I have already shown you guys now. And after you've identified your market trend, just the way I did mine now, I've already known that this market is a downtrend. So what will I do as a scalper? The next thing I'll do is I will look for my key levels. Okay, now I can go to, let me use the 30 minutes time frame. So this already market is already playing out on this. So let me use the key. Let me go to okay, currently now, okay, I don't think I need this. Okay, let me zoom out a bit first to see actually what the market is doing here. So we can see if I can't see anything, I'll still need to go down to a lower time frame more so that I can still figure out actually what the market is doing. So as a scalper, now your main goal is just for you to focus. After you've got your analysis, then you can be using the lower time frame. You can go down to, since I've already known the market trend is a downtrend. All right, so downtrend, I know the market is selling, so I need to be looking for market selling opportunities. Okay, now let's use this particular market here. Okay, now I told you guys you're a scalper, so scalpers don't stay long in the market. You can scalp up to let's say this is 10 minutes. So we are scalping after this 10 minutes candle 1 2 3, and you're out of the market. Okay, so you are scalping and you are leaving the market. You're not staying long in the market. Okay, you're not staying long in the market. So we can see this now. There's no current market approach. Okay, so I have a fair value gap here. Okay, so you can see here that market got to this support here. All right, price got to this support over here because we had a support around this point. Yeah, okay, so you can see price a scalper. Look at this now. So you can even mark your key levels here. You can see here that we have a support here, and market had to respect this support at this point, and the market bought from this particular point now up to this place. Now you can see as a scalper, you don't stay long. You must monitor the next level where the market is heading to. Like I just said before, if you are buying, like you're on this particular time frame now, you are using a 10 minutes time frame. Once you buy from this point here, this is a scalping trade. Okay, it's not a swing trade. This is scalping trade. So what you do is you wait for price to come to this point here. So once price has gotten to this support level around this point here, and you can see how we wait for confirmations, your candlesticks confirmation patterns, entry patterns confirmation and all that. Then once price has given you that, your next target, if maybe let's say a swing trader is entering this trade now, I will have done my analysis on a higher time frame. Even if this might be a pullback, if you do your analysis on a higher time frame, okay, so it might be market pulling back. Then before you know, you can figure out a way to go in to the market, okay, now to go long. But as a scalper, you don't need to hold for too long in the market, okay. Now if actually I entered at this point here and market gave me this, you can see at this point here, even here where the market is, I should be off, or I will have left the market, okay, because here you can see here that there's a gap here. And if we want to look at the market critically, we'll find out that we have areas of liquidity, okay. So we have areas of liquidity here market is resting on, okay. So you can see we have liquidity, price. So price is liquidating at this particular area right now, okay. And we also have this place as inducement, or yeah, you can see this place as inducement, because if you look at what is going on, if you go to the lower time frame, you find out that this, or if you go down to more the 5 minute time frame, you figure out that this point here is acting as that high is having equal highs there. So you can see this, so it's an equal high. So look at what I'm saying, guys. Even on 5 minutes time frame, even on a 5 minutes time frame, so you can also tell actually what is happening. Like I said, guys, you don't want to stay long. So you can see here, even if I got an entry, can you see this, guys? On 5 minutes time frame, you can see I got an entry here, which price mitigated. We have other block here, okay, 5 minutes other block, and support which moment price tapped into that box, okay, and you can see how the market bought up to this point. Yeah, okay. Now, why is it selling at this point here? You can see that we have 5 minutes other block around this point here. Okay, so when price got to this place, that was what you can see. You can see this big candle here. You can see this big bearish candle, okay, on this 5 minutes time frame, and you can see after that, see how the market sold at least to this support here. Now we have a support here. Now the market might get to this point here. It might get to this level here, okay, this low on 5 minutes time frame, okay. And at this now we'll have got this sniper entry, because this is a sniper entry at this point here. This was a sniper entry, okay. Now for scalpers, I want to scalp the market, so that would have been a sniper entry. I told you guys, first of all, the first thing you need to understand is, one, your trend. Define your trend on the higher time frame. Then once you're done with that, then you can now look for your key levels, okay. Like this one here is my key level support here, which I marked, okay, the support level. And you can also see we have other block on 5 minutes time frame around this point, and we can also see here that we have 5 minutes gaps and all that. So this one here, you can see two other blocks here, and you can see how price respected. At least from here to this point is enough for you as a scalper. This point at least, okay. And you can see even if it gets to this point here, because I believe the market might fall to this place here, or this point. So you can see, guys, the market is moving down to this area, okay. So as a scalper, you can go in with this, and your position trading can use good market risk to reward, and can set your stop loss around that point there where the market is already selling. So you have a stop loss around this point, okay. So your stop loss around that place, in case the market takes you out there, at least targets where the market is heading to now, okay. So let's see if the market will head to this point here. All right, so as a scalper, then you can get market heading to this point here, and this should hit your TP, okay. So market should hit your TP if it gets to this point. All right, so as your first entry, or this is late entry, okay. So even if you enter at this point is late, I will advise. So if you're a scalper, you look for a good sniper entry. This one at both here is a very nice sniper entry. Okay, having a stop loss above that level there. So we see how price we hit this TP1. Okay, then before it heads to TP2 down here. All right, so now guys, it's very easy to scalp the market if you understand actually what the market is doing, even on the higher time frame. It's very easy. You can see, guys, you can even see on 30 minutes time frame here. Okay, so you can even use your 30 minutes to analyze. Okay, as a scalper, you can even use the 30 minutes for your market analysis, and 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Either the 1 hour or 30 minutes is good. It's cool for your analysis. Then you can use the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes for your entry. All right, so I think we are good to go with that. Now let me look for another one. Okay guys, let me look for another market analysis. Okay, so let me use another one, guys, so to give more detailed explanation. All right, so okay, so let me use this one right now. Okay, all right guys, so here we are on VIX 75. Okay, so this is VIX 75 right now. Okay, so remember, like I said, let me go to the 1 hour time frame. So you can use the 1 hour time frame, or better still, you can use the 30 minutes time frame, what I said. So now let's look at this, guys. So you can see here that on our 1 hour, on our VIX 75 1 hour time frame, what do we have, guys? Okay, so hold on, guys. Now let me show you something. If you look at this market, guys, you can see this market is selling. Okay, we have price pushing to the downside here. We have equal highs and market broke structure, and we have the market selling. Okay, so now, but currently there is something happening right now currently on VIX 75. Okay, so now we have the market hitting a support level right now. We have other block here. Okay, we have price action market. Okay, let me adjust this. Okay, so okay guys, now if you look at this, we have another block here. Okay, and also if we go down to 30 minutes time frame, let me use the 30 minutes time frame, because currently I'm on the buy of this V75. Okay, I'm on the buy. Now if we go to this, you can also figure out that we also have a gap here. Okay, so let's identify. You can see we have a gap around this point here. We have market gap resting here on this V75. You can see, so we have a market gap resting here on this point. So now let's assume that this market has not given us this buy. Okay, now what will I do is let's say I'm waiting for this and price comes here automatically. Now let's go to our entry time frame. Let's go to our entry time frame. So I can use let's say I use the 5 minutes time frame. Don't forget, you can also use the 10 minutes. Okay, now let's use the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so guys, notice what we have here. That's why I usually advise you do your analysis on the higher time frame. Okay, it's very important, and it's very good you do analysis on the higher time frame. Very good. Okay, so what do we have here, guys? Now if you look at, remember this market is on our key level on the 30 minutes, which we have a gap here, and you can see, what do you see, guys? This market, we have highs which the market broke here. Okay, and the market started pushing up. Now after the market pushed up here, you can see how the market, now you see why I do say this, guys, that it's very good you always look at the higher time frame for your analysis. Okay, now you can see now it gave a break of structure here on 5 minutes time frame. Now a lot of traders will feel that this market has changed structure because they capitalize on only doing analysis and their entry decisions on a lower time frame, which I used to say is very, very wrong. As a trader, you must learn how to use the higher time frame to analyze the market. Then your lower time frame, you can use it to make your decisions, because the lower time frame definitely will respect the higher time frame. Lower time frame must surely respect what is happening on the higher time frame. So we can see here that this market here is on our buy support zone. Okay, so we can see we have a support here. This is also a support. You can see, let me mark this point here. Sorry guys, let me mark this point. Okay, so we have this place here, which you can see this should be a sniper entry or buy for buyers, scalpers. Okay, so you just take your buy position around this point here, which the market give us, and you can see how the market bought this high. Okay, this high here should be where you should have taken your TP already. Okay, this high should be where you should have taken your TP, or you should be out of the market already at this point. So, and you can notice how price broke this level here and keep pushing up and up. So you can see till it gets down to our level here. Okay, where we marked on the 30 minutes time frame. Let me use the 10 minutes. All right, so let me use the 10 minutes. Okay, so you can see guys, even on the 10 minutes time frame, you can notice that we also have that the same gap, another block here. You can see how price gets to that other block, taking out liquidity. So market took out this level of liquidity around this point. Okay, and came down to this place to fill in the gap on this other block here. And we also have the last other block around this point here. We also have the last other block around this region. Okay, so we can pull this place as our gap. Okay, we can have this place as our gap, which we're anticipating the market to get to, but here already the market has used this one at this point here. And so if I'm ready on the buy, guys, so I'm expecting market, but if you're a scalper, you should be out of the market around this point here. Okay, so this level here should be where you should have closed or go out of the market. Okay, this point here where the market is heading to currently right now, and also at this swing, this next high level here. Okay, so at least you should be out of the market at these 2 point key zones here, this level here, and also this point here. So at least this should have taken you out. You should have gone out of the market if price gets to this point here now. So let's say you are on this trade now. Okay, you're on this trade, so you should target. So your target should be around this point here. This is what I'm talking about. So your stop loss, you don't need a tight stop loss. Okay, so you can set your stop loss here. Okay, please let it get to this point here. So you target this place right now where the market is heading to. So you can see this. So once price gets to this point here, at least you should be out of the market, which I'm already on the trade, like I said. So we're expecting market to get to this point. If we hit that point, TP1 here, then TP2, at least we are fine with that. But let's see how price hits this TP1 trade. All right, so guys, I hope you guys are getting actually what I'm saying regarding to how to scalp the market. So it's very easy to scalp the market, but if you follow these rules, they are very, very good. As a trader, you are going to make money scalping in the market. Okay, so most times I scalp the market if I really don't want to stay long on the market. So I will just scalp the market and I'm out of the chart. Okay, so we are anticipating here. Let's see how price will hit this one TP1 here and this next TP2 on this 10. Okay, so guys, I hope with this video, guys, you are able to enjoy actually what the market or what we said so far about scalpers. If you have any question, guys, make sure you answer the comment section. Do well, like, subscribe, and also share this video. Drop your question on the comment section, guys. Whatever you feel about this video, just comment it, guys. I'll be there to answer your questions. So thank you, guys. See you in our next video.